Hello viewers, today we are going to learn what is absolute value and also we are going to solve few expressions of absolute value. So absolute value is the distance of a number from 0. Also absolute value is always positive. So let's clarify this with few examples. We denote absolute value by this symbol. So if we have to find the absolute value of -3 or -3, it is going to be +3 because this symbol, the absolute value symbol, makes the number positive. Also, the absolute value of +3 or +3 or 3 is also 3. So the absolute value symbol or the absolute value of any number is always positive. Similarly, absolute value of -5 is +5. So let's solve few expressions of absolute value here. What will be the absolute value of -3 plus -5? This is the expression we are going to solve. So as we know that absolute value of -3 is 3, so we are going to write 3 here. Then the positive or then the addition symbol will come down as is, and then the absolute value of -5 is 5. So absolute value of -3 plus absolute value of -5 is equal to 8. Let's find the absolute value of -3 minus the absolute value of -5. So here absolute value of -3 is 3 minus the absolute value of 5 is 5. So we'll write 5 here. Now after solving this, we are getting the absolute value of -3 minus the absolute value of -5 as -2. Solve one more expression in which we have numbers like 3 minus 5. So what is the absolute value of this expression? If we will solve this expression, we will get 3 minus 5 as -2, but the negative 2 is inside of the absolute value sign. So after removing this sign or after finding the absolute value of this -2, we are going to get +2 as our answer. Now let's see one more example, one more case in which we have 3 times absolute value of 5 plus 5 minus 7. So here we'll write 3 as is and we'll find the absolute value of 5 minus 7. So 5 minus 7 is -2, and now we have to find the absolute value of -2. So absolute value of -2 will be 2. So our answer will be 6. Let's find the absolute value of one more expression. Let's find the absolute value of 3 times 5 plus 7. So this will be 3. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we'll write 12 here. And now we have to find the absolute value of 12, which is 12. So this will be 3 times 12, which is 36. So this is how we find the absolute value of any number. We need to remember that the absolute value is the distance of a number from 0 and it is always positive. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.